welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you. So in today's video, we are going to do a braid out. So basically, I'm going to share with you how I achieved this simple, perfect braid out, well-defined curls braid out. When it comes to this hairstyle, you have to know how to cornrow your hair, and you also have to sort of like know how to do box braid. Probably you just relax your hair and you're really not comfortable with how laid your hair is. Definitely do try this look. So if you want to see how I achieved it, definitely keep on watching. So first of all, you have to get your hair in cornrows like this. Spray it with some water, and then oil it. So I'm using olive oil. That's a mixture of olive oil and avocado oil. I love those oils because they always moisturize my hair. And then I'm using shea butter. So then after applying the shea butter, go ahead and then braid your cornrows. The shea butter and then the oil and then the water helps to set the braid, so you don't have to like hold it tight underneath. Just braid it in a really nice fashion. And I think it looks okay. It is messy though, but then I think it's okay because it will set. Like the curls will still be intact, so I'm fine with it. If you are a perfectionist, definitely do get your hair done or cornrowed by your hairstylist or somebody that's actually good with cornrow, and then later on unravel it. So hopefully by tomorrow morning it will be dried and everything will be set. The curls will be set and intact. So yeah, I'll show you in the next clip. Apply any oil of your choice. For me, I'm definitely going for shea butter. I like to just apply it into the hair, onto the scalp, so that it's also like moisturized. I feel like this is the best time to unravel it because it's actually the next day. I recently got my hair relaxed, so I think that's why the style is going great and it's looking nicer. And also don't forget your ends. So what I'm doing is I'm applying the shea butter at the ends because I feel like the ends are like the most important part in maintaining length. So comb your hair with your fingernails just to make it poofy after like unraveling all the cornrows, so that you are sure that you also unraveled every cornrow on your head. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so then I just go over with my mixture of olive oil just to give it that more shine. So the next thing to do is to lay your edges. If you like, you can actually pass a straight line so that it looks neat. Also keep playing with it so that it looks nicer and looks perfect to your preference. And put my mirror down. Wow, so cute. So I'm going to go over with my Charles Worthington's Strength and Repair Heat Defense Spray so that it just gives it that really nice shine and that really nice fragrance. Yeah. Let me just come back with a finished style, one that maybe I've probably maybe laid my edges and, you know, finished up my look. Okay, so this is the final look. I just went ahead to lay my edges just to give it that nice style. I really love the outcome. It just gives me this different look. As you can tell, it has elongated my face because of the poofiness and how I've styled it, and I've just flipped my hair to the side, and I love it because it's nice. Curls are really nice and it's perfect and healthy to do on relaxed hair, especially if you recently got your hair relaxed like me. I just got my hair relaxed I think a week now. I think I did it last Monday, so it's perfect. But if you have natural hair, you can also do this style. So you just braid your hair into cornrows and then later on unravel it, and it looks really nice. I like the way it's so curly and so poofy. Like, I like it. So many ways you can style a braid out. During the week you can actually style it in any way you want. For me, I'll most likely hold it in hold it like this maybe tomorrow, and then maybe on Thursday I'll hold it in a ponytail. You can style this hairdo any way you want, just so that it suits your face. This style most likely lasts like for me it lasts like almost 1 to 2 weeks, just depends on the way I keep it. The braid outs are perfect for in between hairstyles. Say you have relaxed your hair and you don't want to braid your hair like so soon. Like me, I don't want to braid my hair so soon. I just take I just do my braid outs, and my braid outs are always perfect and they look amazing after I've relaxed my hair. And luckily I've relaxed my hair like a week now, so I think it's perfect style just in this time. I don't know about you, but my face is really round, so having this poofy hairstyle gives me that a different look, and actually, as you can see, that's actually elongated my face and I love it. Let me know if you like this look. If you enjoyed watching, also let me know. Hit the like button, comment down below if you would try this look. Let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. You can take it to any event you'd want it to. You can. Okay, so I'm going to go over with my Charles Worthington. But then, if you are like very perfection, if you're a professional, but if you are a perfectionist. Okay, so yeah, this is it, and then the hair is completely dry, and I feel like this is the good time. If you want to see more and you want to see how I achieve this perfect, absolutely perfect braid out. So yeah, this is